Welcome to another new video of our channel. Thank you so much to all our subscribers and all those that chose our videos to learn. Here's a quick tutorial on how to parallel park. This type of parking is known to be somewhat challenging and complex for many, but here I will provide you guys with some examples and tips on how to master this skill. To be able to align your car with the other cars near and execute a good, safe, parallel parking is a challenge for those beginning to drive. When you're going to practice this type of parking, I highly recommend you guys to use these orange cones and head out to an isolated area with no traffic or cars to safely practice as much as you want until you feel more confident and secure. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to do parallel parking using these cones and how to park among cars. Now, when you use these cones for practice, we will slowly advance our vehicle and get as close to the cones as we can, approximately 1 meter in distance. We will then align the back of the vehicle with the cones and then slowly start to reverse while looking back. When you try to park among actual vehicles, what you will use are the lateral mirrors. You will align them with the other car's mirror. Now, let's go back to the other image of the cones. Once you're ready, you will rotate the steering wheel to the right and change the gears to reverse. Once you're at this point, you will start releasing your brakes so that the car will begin reversing slowly. Always remember to be aware and alert, looking through all mirrors at all time. I'll remind you guys to use the reversing position, which is the one with the right arm placed over and behind the passenger seat, to keep in mind when reversing, especially when taking the driver's examination. This is very important. Okay, so now, how do I know when to stop the car? The key is to look through the passenger side window and slowly keep reversing until you find yourself in this position. The cone should be aligned like shown in the screen with the mirrors slightly in front and near the bumper. Once here, you will stop and once again turn your steering wheel, but this time to center the wheels of your car. This will allow the car to reverse back straight. You will continue slowly backing up until the cone is aligned with the front hood of the car. Once there, you will stop and turn the steering wheel to the other side, the left side. Then, you will continue reversing while checking your surrounding. Without any movement, you allow the car to slowly position itself forward until it is properly parked and you're within the lines. You will do this carefully and take your time. Be patient. You will then change the gears to D drive and move your wheels straight by moving your steering wheel. Now, how do I know if my wheels are straight? Since you're driving, you will slowly let go of the brakes and your vehicle will move forward a bit and you will notice it if your vehicle is moving curved or straight. Make sure you also have enough space to be able to move and leave later. Alright, so many of you are probably wondering and want to know, how do I park between two vehicles? I highly recommend you guys that when you're gonna try and park among other vehicles and private properties that you guys have enough practice and confidence. You don't want to accidentally hit another car. It could be a problem. Make sure that you guys practice enough around areas where it's isolated and there's no vehicles or traffic around. Right, so remember we discussed, slowly look at your surroundings and be aware and alert at all times. This is very important. Now, when you guys found a spot to park, you want to make sure you pull up slowly next to the vehicle and switch gear to R reverse. And then, as you can see here, I'm going to make sure that my mirror and the vehicle's mirror are aligned, as I had previously shown you guys earlier. I am going to turn my steering wheel to the right and let go of the brakes slowly. I'm going to let the car slowly move on reverse until I can view from the passenger's window the other vehicle's license plate. Now, I'm not going to stop until I see that license plate in the center of my window. Then once it is, I will stop and completely turn my steering wheel completely to my left this time. Afterwards, you will then slowly reverse by letting go of the brakes carefully. Once you're in place, you will make sure your vehicle is straight and aligned, just like I showed you before. right? With the cones. Take a glance at the vehicle in front, and that should help. If it's not, stop, look around, and move forward and try again. I honestly recommend you all to please practice. I can't stress this enough. New drivers need to relax, feel confident behind the wheel, and make sure to practice in areas where there isn't much traffic. Well guys, I hope this video was indeed helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel for more educational videos as these for new drivers out there.